Hello students, in this video we'll be understanding how to install the software Python and to check the software is it working properly or not. Okay, let's begin with the video. For the installation of the Python software we need the exe file for our device. So for getting the exe file we'll be going to a browser. It can be any browser which is installed in your computer. In my computer I have Google Chrome. I will go to Google Chrome and I will type Python download, okay, and press enter. The first website which is coming here, www.python.org, is the website which we need to visit. In this it is directly sending me the option of download Python, so I will click here. When I click on the download Python, this would be the browser, this would be the web page which should be visible on my browser. So I will be clicking on download Python. Once the software is downloaded on your computer, you need to install the software, so it will be taking us some time. So we'll skip this video a little bit. So once the file has been downloaded, you will just click on it and you will say show in the folder, or you can directly say open. I will say open. So a dialog box should come up. So it is asking me, do you want to run this software? I will say yes, run. As I had clicked on run button, this is the option which it is coming. Do you want to install? So I will say install now. This process will take a little bit time, and then afterward you will be ready to start with the Python programming. So it is showing my setup was successfully installed. So I will just click on close, and on my window button I will click and I will check for the installed file. So here you can see my Python 10, which is the latest version. Inside this I have multiple options, so I will be clicking on IDLE, the first option which is there. When I click on it, I should get a window which would be the shell window of Python. So this is the shell window of the Python where I can write down any of the script and I can run and I can check is it working or not. Print, bracket open, double inverted comma, first as I press enter, it should show me the output. First Python program. So this is working properly. There is one thing which I had taught in the class, that was to create a new file. So I will go to new file. This is where we'll be writing down the code. We'll write down the code and then we'll check the output in the shell screen. So same way I will write down the simple program which is print and my name Badar Bhavani, double inverted close, bracket close. Okay, to run this program it is required that I need to save the file. So first save as, then I will select the location. Right now I will be selecting desktop. In desktop I will create a folder Python and first program dot py. Py will be the extension when I am saving the file. So as we have done in HTML, the file extension would be .html. Same way in Python the file extension would be .py, and I will say save. Okay, once the file is saved, I will click on run and I will go to run module, that is the first option, or I can click on the keyboard and I can press F5. So I can click on F5, the program should run. Badar Bhavani. So yes, my program is working properly and the software is installed properly. So this is just cross checking that if there is any issue, there would be a debug window opening up, or it would be giving us an error that some of the file is missing, so we need to rectify it. So if you are not getting any issues or not getting any error while running the program, so you are ready to go and you're good to go with the programming. I hope you have understood how to install the program. Let's meet in the next class and start with the programming.